post graduation?
No, sir.
Why, what prevented you? You have so much back, and I've been glad to know that you are a best graduate. Best graduate of the university.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Utkal University.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Great, best graduate. But you didn't pursue post graduation. What prevented you from this thing?
Sir, it is my inclination towards civil services. Means,
So you didn't want to, because a graduate would suffice. Why to go for post graduation, right? Is it the thing?
yes, sir. Means, the minimum qualification which is
Yeah,
required.
we have fulfilled that minimum qualification.
Yes, sir.
So now, are you employed otherwise?
I am currently unemployed, sir.
So you're trying for OPSC and UPSC both.
Yes, sir.
All my best wishes and good luck. Best hardly you come across very best graduates in time. So we are very lucky to come across one such person in your name. बहुत ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା. Best graduate. So physics मने अच्छी. So you have left since 2019. So almost 4 years. Basic thing must be there.
Sir, basic things I can remember.
You can remember.
Yes.
Okay. अच्छा, जो difference between ellipse and the circle.
Ellipse and circle. Sir, in circle, the radius is the same throughout the circle. But in ellipse, there is 2 focal points from which distance is different.
Who is different? Distance is different. But
Sir, in ellipse, there are major axis and minor axis.
but then another important thing. For that is focus distance. It has eccentricity.
Yes.
Circle पे eccentricity कितने?
1.
No, 0. ये 1 का भी parabola.
Yes.
Ellipse भी कितने? Less than 1.
Yes.
अच्छा, ଆମର जो सन जो चारिपटे ऑर्बिट अछि अर्थ ऑर्बिट कोन माने रोटेट करूची आर कोन इज कांस्टेंट what factor is constant while it is going around the sun? Is it velocity constant? Is it momentum constant, or something is constant throughout?
Sir, velocity is not constant as when it comes closer to the sun, the velocity is high, and when it gets distant from the sun, and the velocity is slow.
Why? Why? That is the question. Why?
Sir, the time period, the square of.
Nothing to do with time period.
Sorry, sir.
What is an angular momentum is conserved? R cross P, MBR. Okay.
Okay,
Small the R, more the V. More the less the V, more the R. So पाखु आसले बेसी बढ़ुची ता स्पीड ता एला जा फल रे हम बर्तन कोन करछु रेजिंग ऑफ द ऑर्बिट बर्तन हमर जो आइ चंद्रयान से बुलुची पृथ्वी चारि पटे पृथ्वी चारि बुलु हम ता स्पीड बढ़ौछु से पाखो जाय देला ता स्पीड ता बढ़ुची सो यू विल गेट a speed what is that called, so that it goes beyond the earth's gravitational field. What is that velocity?
Escape velocity, which is 11.2 km.
Okay, whatever.
Yes.
So it goes to that thing, है
Yes.
So that is the basic thing. अच्छा, lunar eclipse केमती हुए?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, lunar eclipse is called when sun, moon, and the earth are in the right angle.
Right angle eclipse.
A straight line.
Like who is the center? Who is where? You should know.
Sir, earth is in the center, and in both opposite side, moon and the sun.
Moon and sun on both sides of the stage. Can not each full moon day? Why don't we see have a lunar eclipse?
Sorry, sir.
Because there is because you see the moon.
Attraction of both.
So because they are in different. कितने plane no difference है. The plane का सब समान होता है. So they are moving, but there is a tilting. That is the angle. Azimuthal angle कितने से है?
Okay.
That is the angle 5 degree. Because it is also precession. Not to jump na. Not to बुला बुला इधर होची. That is precession. So that precession, that point रे से अभी टाइम है उसकी. ये तो ये cover होगी. बुझ लगी. So a time will come. 180 degree straight line सब रहो but not in the same plane. Okay.
Yes.
Same plane पर लावने automatically दिखाई गई. But plane टी वाला आपने लावने ऊपर बड़ी लावने तो दिखाई. That is the thing. अच्छा, हमारे को लोग physics वाला Nobel Prize ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
Uh,
ତା ନାଁ କଣ?
yes, sir. So 3 persons got
ଆମ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କଥା ପଚାରୁଛି ଫିଜିକ୍ସ ନୋବେଲ ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
in sir,
ହାଇ ଇରି
means before.
ବିଫୋର ଆଫ୍ଟର ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ତ ଆମକୁ ଜଣେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଆମେ ତ କହୁଛୁ ନା ଆଉ ବିଫୋର ଆଫ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ନୋବେଲ ଲରିଏଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଫିଜିକ୍ସ ନୋବେଲ ଲରିଏଟ୍ କି
Sir, can I guess? Means
okay but you should know it without guessing you should have become
Yes.
straightforward
Yes, sir.
କଣ
Sir, Albert Einstein,
India from
C-
India
C.V. Raman.
I am asking CV India
Yes.
first listen then
Yes.
respond for known for
Scattering effect of
what is
light.
scattering
Sir, when light travels a distance and when light travels,
first scattering is कौन की process हमारे यहाँ जो collision माने कौन
means when it is
something काश तो light
it falls on a surface.
so dust particle जो अच्छी suspended particle अच्छी so it is interaction of light collide light is both wave and as well as
Particle.
particle को phenomena को माने it constitute wave ଆଉ को phenomena establish कर ये particle कोटा मतलब कोई लोग को experiment that is also very epoch making experiment तो graduation में पढ़ाई जे that says it is a wave like thing and ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ କହି ଦିଏ ଯେ ଏଠି ହେଉଛି particle like thing
Yes, the dual nature of light.
କୋଉ phenomena interference ଜାଣିଛ
Yes.
हां
Interference.
diffraction ଜାଣିଛ
Okay.
diffraction
Yes.
so what interference कौन
So,
when two waves are go through two different slits कौन wave pattern टा कौन alternate dark and
light.
bright fringe କାହିଁକି ହେଉଛି wave ନହେଲେ ସେମିତି ହେଇପାରିବନି actually जो दीटा wave ର superposition ହେଲେ there will be a point where there will be ସେ point କଣ କହନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଠି distribution is zero light ନାହିଁ ଏଠି node anti node wave ରେ ଜାନା ମନେ ନାହିଁ ସବୁ real node
So,
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅପସନ କଣ ନେଲ କି
sociology and geography.
ଓ ସେଠି ତ ବୁଝିස් ପଡେ ତ ପଚାରି but you are best at it will attract the attention actually
Sir, means I have forgotten.
अच्छा ठीक है ओके so that is thing photoelectric effect photoelectric कौन जानते हो photoelectric effect कौन
Sir, E equals to H nu means
E equal to h mu is equal to half mv square from potential माने गोटे कौन ला गोटे राइट पड़ले इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहरिबो हां तुम जो एक्स-रे इज वन ऑफ द रीजन एक्स-रे जो होची देखो एक्स-रे इज emission of electron so when it will emit when will come out then it will give rise to a wave that wave आकर देखा हुआ एक्स-रे पर पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी बुझलो
yes.
हां अच्छा अच्छा हम ईस्ट अफ्रीका रे तीनटा कंट्री कहलो ईस्ट अफ्रीका
East Africa. Sir,
हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका रे पर्टिकुलर हम आई विल हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका
sir, Egypt,
इजिप्ट इज नॉट इन हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका
United Arab Emirates, Somalia.
यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स कोठी असला अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट रे
Sorry, sir. Sir, Somalia, Ethiopia,
करेक्ट आउ
Romania. Sorry, sir.
Djibouti
Yes.
Djibouti kind of famous very is now in the news why Somalia is in news why Djibouti is in the news
Sir, the conflict that is going on.
का conflict in what
Sir, the terrorism issue.
धीरे धीरे के गोटे बेस करूची के बेस करची
military base
Yes, sir.
military base
Yeah.
के करूची के ताको कहते स्ट्रिंग ऑफ पर्ल्स
China.
हां तन हां और सोमालिया कहीं नोटोरियस माने they actually almost capture loot they terrorize intimidate कौन तो कहते हम सब जाए ताको सर्वेलेंस शिप तो कौन कहते पायरेट्स पायरेट माने कौन सी पायरेट कौन जल माने जलदस्यु
They attack ships.
हां चबारपोर्ट कोठी चबारपोर्ट
Sir, Iran.
ईरान की करछि ताको
The Jabbar port is constructed by India.
इज बाय इंडिया कहीं फॉर व्हाट
Sir, to counter the China is
to
constructing
gain access to
gain access to Central Asia.
Central
Yes.
अच्छा गदार पोर्ट कोठी गदार पोर्ट
Gwadar Port Gwadar Port in Afghanistan.
अफगानिस्तान
Iran.
इजी कोस्टल
Sir, in
कनेक्टेड
Iran.
नो इजी इन पाकिस्तान आउ गुडी पण सेठी बेस अछि ना आउ गुडी अछि श्रीलंका रे कोठी
Hambantota.
हां देयर ककबरी ने तो मन को ना गदर पुट उठे जाय हम पीयूटी देख जाय सीपी
China Pakistan economic corridor.
अच्छा कहलु हमर ईस्टर्न साइड टू द टिल गुजरात आई वांट टू लिसन सम फ्यू मेजर पोर्ट्स कहलु इन दैट सीक्वेंस
Okay, sir. From eastern side, Odisha west.
ओडिसा छी फास्ट ओडिसा पाबु
West Bengal.
हां
West Bengal,
कोटा अछि
Kolkata port. Then Odisha Paradip port. Then Andhra Pradesh Visakhapatnam port. Tamil Nadu sir, in Kerala Ennore port.
तमिल फास्ट पोर्ट कोटा अछि चेन्नई पोर्ट तापरे
sir,
चेन्नई आउट बोल अछि Tuticorin
port. Yes.
तापरे
Then in Kerala
कोचिन पोर्ट
Kochi.
तापरे
In Maharashtra Mumbai.
तापरे महाराष्ट्र कोचिन हां जो केरल पर कौन सीटा
Karnataka.
हां तो ज्योग्राफी शुड बी इन माने मैप शुड बी इन द फेस कोन
Yes, Karnataka Marmagaon.
मार्गाटा कोठी अछि
Go.
गोवा मैंगलोर पोर्ट
Mangalore.
हां तापरे
Sir, in Mumbai Mumbai port.
जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोस्ट ट्रस्ट
Yes, sir. In Gujarat, in the Gulf of Kutch, there is
कांदला पोर्ट
Kandla.
अच्छा इंडिया लोकेशन को लॉन्गिट्यूड भितर
Sir, in longitude.
लॉन्गिट्यूड केते वैरी करछि
Sir, 67 degree to 92 degree.
67 to 98 कोन डिग्री कोन एटा
Eastern longitude.
ईस्ट हैला 67 to 98 आउ एटा लैटिट्यूड
Sir, latitude 8 degree 7 minutes to 20
31
31.
कोन नॉर्थ ना साउथ
Sir, northern longitude, northern latitude.
अच्छा जो पोल रे लैटिट्यूड केते अछि पोल लैटिट्यूड पोल
Sir, 90
बाबू जी
nine.
हां तब एटा मु पचर पूरा कंप्रिहेंशन अछि ना नेट पूरा अच्छा गोटे कहंदी रोरिंग 40 दैट रोरिंग 40
Yes, roaring 40 is the phenomenon which is occurring in the 40 degree latitude.
नॉर्थ ना साउथ
southern ocean,
कोन
in which the wind system is very
यार
high.
डायरेक्शन कोठी direction of that wind
Sir, from west to east.
कोठी हो अर्थ इज मूव वेस्ट टू ईस्ट आर यदि अर्थ मूवमेंट हो वेस्ट टू ईस्ट एयर मूवमेंट कोन हो
East to west.
नेला तर तर कोन करिवो जो दिगे डायरेक्शन हो से दिगे कोन हो करंट बहिबो अच्छा आउ करंट आउ को करंट बहिबो देयर आर नॉट ओनली दिस इज वन रीजन दिस इज नॉट ऑल रीजन आउ कोन रीजन करंट डायरेक्शन हो
Sir, pressure belt.
प्रेशर कोन हो कोन हो
High pressure to low.
हाई प्रेशर केमती हो हाई प्रेशर कोठी प्रेशर को डिटरमाइन हो कोन हो टेंपरेचर जोटी टेंपरेचर बेसी हो से एक्सपैंड करियो सो दैट विल one number 2 then ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା salinity ଯୋଉଟା କହିଲ ପ୍ରେସର ଯୋଉଟା ବେଶୀ saline ତା ଦେହରୁ ଏ ଆସିବ low saline so that will be direction that current ବୁଝିଲ current କାହିଁ ହବ ସେ ଜିନିଷ ବୁଝିଲ
Yes.
ଆଚ୍ଛା what is the difference between climate and weather
Sir, weather is a short-term effect, means and climate is considered in a long
Long-term average.
long term 10 to 12
it
years
is
climate. It is
right.
called climate.
acha but now that temperature rising global temperature is rising what are these consequences
Sir, due to the temperature rising, several consequences are there. For example, global warming and ocean acidification. Ocean acidification.
Okay.
Sea level rise and the polar ice permafrost melting.
Then extreme weather condition like
Yes.
when extreme heat
disaster.
or higher precipice
Yes.
acidification मतलब बताओ what do you mean acidification
Sir, in ocean acidification, the amount of carbon increases in the ocean, which is not good for the biodiversity, which is means marine organisms.
no but which kind of acid you experience because they go to the this thing na they release to atmosphere what basically what are the gases that is released to atmosphere
Sir,
go
sulfur dioxide,
Correct.
nitrous oxide,
correct
and carbon dioxide,
carbon
carbon monoxide.
phosphorus तापरे आउटे अछि आउटे not connected but agriculture ru asi सेटा contribute करे
Sir, chlorofluorocarbon.
methane
Methane,
maybe
yes,
methane
yes.
हैला
Yes.
अच्छा ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣିଛ ମାଲାକା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ପୁରୀ ମାଲାକା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍
Sir, Malacca Strait is the route to southeastern Asia, which is in Philippines or in Indonesia. In Indonesia.
କୋଉଠି ଯାଉଛି କୋଉଠି କି ସେଠି କୋଉଠି
It connect Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean.
ବାଟରେ ଯିବ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ that is
Yes.
center of trade ଜିବ୍ରାଲେଟର କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଜିବ୍ରାଲେଟର
Strait. Sir, in between Europe and Africa.
correct अच्छा जो हमारा सुएज कैनाल क्या कनेक्ट कर
Sir, Suez Canal is connecting Asia to Europe and Africa. Means
उस कैनाल टा का कनेक्ट
yes, sir, Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea.
हां तू के कलु कनेक्ट ये कनेक्ट सीधा पॉइंट अच्छा दीटा लैंड मास गुटे गुटे देयर इज व्हाट डिवाइडिंग वाटर चैनल ट्रेड व्हाट इज दैट नोन एज देयर इज टू लैंड मास and there is water channel dividing it two
The strait.
strait what is peninsula
Sir, peninsula is a region which is surrounded by water on three sides and landmass on one side.
good example can india be called a peninsula southern india
Yes, sir, peninsular India, the Deccan Plateau and other
okay
regions.
archipelago
Sir, archipelago is a means many islands are
group
there.
of islands as a
Group
great
of islands.
which mane archipelago country
Sir, Indonesia.
that's correct what is a plateau
Sir, plateau is a region which is rich in minerals and it is between.
সেটা কোন সে প্লাটিউ সেটা মিনারেল अलग জিনিস নলে কোন হবনি প্লাটিউ কি what
Sir, it is between the means
it is a height of land with a steep surface
yes, sir, means above the sea level.
much above the sea level not sea level seat भारी सब all river system हमारा जो डेक्कन प्लेट्यू जो विंध्य रीजन रू सब बाहर अच्छा लास्ट गोटे कहलु जो ओडिया भागवत के लिखछन ओडिया भागवत तुम तो जो माने हम ओडिया मीडियम पिला ना भागवत पंचसखा कहलु पंचसखा
Sir, Panchasakha Gopabandhu Das, Nilakantha Mishra, Godavarishya Mishra, then Achyuta.
अच्युत बाते कंफ्यूज होला एटा गोटे डिफरेंट पंचसखा ठीक कहलु माने वी आल्सो हम 50 स्पेसिफिकली योर आंसर वी एक्सेप्ट गोदावरी सो नीलकंठ
Nilakantha Gopabandhu Das,
कृपा सिंधु गोपबंधु आ गोटे होला चाइल्ड इजी ग्रामर को लिखछन से चाइल्ड इजी ग्रामर
चाइल्ड फर्स्ट ग्रामर
फास्ट में इजी ग्रामर
चाइल्ड इजी
इजी फर्स्ट ग्रामर इजी फर्स्ट हां की लिखि है अच्छा जी हरिहर अच्छा जो अच्छा मु को चल कि अलगा पंचसखा आउट पंचसखा अछि प्रताप रुद्र समय रे पंचसखा अछि जानछु
सर जगन्नाथ
हां
दास
जगन्नाथ दास तापरे पढ़ी
बड़
टाइम पढ़ी जगन्नाथ टेम्पल कोणार्क टेम्पल लिंगराज टेम्पल ancient के माने who came first
सर फर्स्ट लिंगराज टेम्पल
केमदी कहीं जान केम जानि परली
सर द टाइम in which it is formed
के भाई को डायनेस्टी समय रे ला
लिंगराज टेम्पल by जजाति केसरी
कैसे
सोमवार।
कैसे डायनेस्टी अच्छा जो हम भुवनेश्वर कैपिटल के वेला हम मॉडर्न कैपिटल न्यू भुवनेश्वर का भुवनेश्वर बहुत पूर्व अछि
1949
48
okay sir.
मैडम
Ma'am, Madhubani art is also called as Mithila art, which is famous in the Bihar Mithilanchal region and also Terai region of Nepal.
The theme one, Madhubani.
Sir, Madhubani art has different themes like mythological Ramayana and also religious Devi Devata are also portrayed. And
Pahadi painting, Pahadi painting.
Sir, in northern region, Himachal Pradesh. Yes, sir.
अच्छा हमर जो गोटे ताजमहल देखि
नहीं,
आगे
आगे.
अच्छा मुगल पेंटिंग का स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्पेशल फीचर मुगल पेंटिंग
Yes, sir, a Mughal painting means flowers and different motifs are there.
गोटे तापरा गोटे बाहर थोय
Sir, arc system.
अच्छा तापर अच्छा केतरा साइट गलो जोटी हम पे हिस्ट्री ऑफ पेंटिंग देखि छी इंडिया रे
Sir, Bhimbedka ancient rock painting.
रॉक पेंटिंग
Sir, in Kalinganagar, an ancient Buddha sculpture has been found.
स्कल्पचर दैट स्कल्पचर
Yes, sir.
उसका कोटी गोटे जागा है उसका कोटी
Sakoti. Oh, okay.
अच्छा मैडम
So can you say me what is if you will get the administrative post, then how can you tackle corruption? Suppose you got
Yes,
then how can you tackle?
ma'am, first of all, corruption is deep rooted in an organization. So, in order to tackle corruption, we have to take step in the ground level. So, we can increase surveillance and keep hold on the activities that the officials are doing. Yes.
अवेयरनेस करू लोग
Yes, sir.
तो ऑफिशियल
Awareness generation and also can regular meetings can be held to
हम ये करप्शन माने वाचडॉग हमर अछि सेटे कोन देन ये कर माने एंटी करप्शन वाचडॉग नेशनल गवर्नमेंट अछि फर्स्ट टाइम हेता सेटा देयर इज बीन लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज नाउ सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन
yes,
तार
yes.
Then what is GI tag?
जीए टाइम में
Geographical indication tag means it is given to a product which is unique to its area.
ओडिसा रे की
Sir, Rasgulla, then
कंपनी गोटे प्रोडक्ट हम
Halad Kandhamalaro Haladi and Kai chutney is
अभी पाइछ कोन दिदा
sir, Mayurbhanj. Yes.
So what for that Kandamala Haladi so
सो एप्रिशिएटेड बाय
Ma'am, it has it can be used for health remedy, nutritional content.
alchemy active ingredient ಹಳದಿ ಕೂಡ or cumin. Curcumin.
Okay, ma'am.
That is antioxidant, anti-cancerous, anti-aging, everything.
Yes.
Curcumin.
Yes.
Then if we keep raw haldi outside, then after raining, after 2 days raining, the color will fade. Right?
Beautiful question, never experienced. Beautiful question.
That is due to this
Oxidate.
divided by rain. That is due to acid rain, acidic nature of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it will be the
Again, ma'am.
What is ecotourism?
Ma'am, in ecotourism, the region is developed so that both economical development and environmental sustainability can be maintained. Means tourism is also promoted, along with the environmental protection is also taken care of.
So can you tell me what are three white food items? They are known as white poisons. White poison. Three food items that are regarded as white poison.
Ma'am, I am not aware
You
of.
should use it.
Ma'am, drugs, food item.
Salt.
Any poison.
Salt.
Okay, okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I'm not aware of it.
Then can you tell me what is the impact of social control?
Social control. Ma'am, different type of social institution can put social control. For example, education, family. These are the institutions which can put control on an individual and his or her activities. Means it can shape individual social behavior. It can socialize them how to perform in a society and how to do the socially accepted behavior. Means
Is it required or not?
ma'am, some type of social control is required to live in a society. Yes. Yes.
Then what is GDP?
GDP stand for gross domestic product, which is used to measure the economic growth and development of a country.
Then what is fiscal deficit?
Ma'am, fiscal deficit is the difference between the revenue generated and the expenditure which is done by the government, and it is the deficit which is the difference between the revenue and the expenditure.
Thank you. Sir,